Hey guys, welcome to my second video. Well, I don't even know what number video it's gonna be. Welcome to my vlog. Not vlog. Welcome to my channel. I'm still new with this. Okay, my cat is trying to lick my ice cream. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing this wig that I got from Amazon. I always get my human hair wigs from Amazon because I don't feel like waiting 4 days for it to Nasha hair or Eunice hair to send me a damn wig, and it'd be too expensive. And Amazon be getting me right. This wig costs like $140 and it's 26 inches, deep wave, 13 times 4. Now the only thing I'm hoping is that this 13 times 4 is actually given 13 times 6. And I know that's a big hope, but I had another deep wave and that 13 times 4 was given 13 times 2. So I'm gonna just hope for the best and we're gonna see how this hair is. Okay, let's take this out. Ooh, I already unzipped this little baggy part. It's in a silver bag. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but yeah, this is it. Okay, it's giving 26. It's kind of giving 26. If my cat messes up my video right now, I'm gonna start a riot. I'm literally going to start a riot. Jade. And there she goes. If y'all have cats, y'all know how this is because they love to get in your way when you're doing stuff. Like if I was on my computer right now, she'd be in front of the computer. But now, because I'm using my camera, she's in front of the camera. But let's open this. Okay, she wants to obviously open it as well. And y'all should let me know, do y'all wash your new wigs? I mean, I probably should, but I'm impatient and I really don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. Jade, please. Can you, if you're gonna sit here and loaf, I need you to loaf lower. Thank you. Okay. It's in this hairnet. Put that over there. Here, look. Go chase this. Go chase that. No? Okay. This is the hair. It's very cute. Definitely wavy. I feel like when they say deep wave, like I should see like a literal coil. I know that's called like kinky curly or something, but this is giving more jerry curl. And she's scratching herself right in front of my camera. This is more jerry curl, to be honest. So I'm gonna go. Oh, let me check the lace. Hold on. My cat's trying to fight me too. Yeah. Get interested in the bag. Good job. Let me open this for her so she get out my way. Look. Come on. Okay, whatever. This is the lace. I mean, when I say they measure 13 times 4 to a T, it's definitely 13 times 4. I wish it was longer, but it's fine. We're gonna make this work. And it's actually not plucked. You can't even see. Move. Oh my god. It's not plucked too badly. It's plucked actually very well. But okay. I'm gonna pick y'all up. Focus. It's plucked very well, but I'm gonna pluck it some more. So I'm gonna be back when I pluck that. It's gonna be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I opened up the wig. It's definitely giving 26 inches, but I wish it was like curlier. But the hair is very soft and it does look very full. I paid like $140 for this on Amazon, and it came in like one day. I did like next day shipping, but it's plucked really well. Can you see that? It's plucked really well, but I'm still gonna pluck it more. And then this is what the inside base looks like. So yeah, I'll be back when I put this on. Oh my god. I don't know about y'all, but I love the smell of a human hair wig. That sounds really weird, but it just reminds me of when I first did my first human hair wig. Because my first ever wig was synthetic, but my second one was a human hair wig, and she was a little straight piece. And it just smells just like this, and it brings me back to the summer because I was literally 2020, like COVID times. That's another tip. if you're gonna be practicing wigs for the first time, do it when you're not gonna see nobody. Because my first human hair wig was not bad, but my first synthetic looked a mess. And I thought I was rocking that, but I really was not. But I got better. So yeah, I'm gonna be back when I put this on. I plucked it. I feel like the lace is like really sensitive because I got some holes in it. You can't even really tell. It's not focusing, but I got some holes on the lace. Yeah. But I mean, it was really easy to pluck, but I don't know if that's a pro or a con, you know. But it's nice, so I'm gonna go bleach it and I'm gonna be back. So I'm back and I am, sorry, it's my cat. I'm back and I'm bald. I should probably have a mirror here because I can't see. So if I'm not looking directly at the camera, I'm just gonna look at myself in the camera thing. Oh, I need to make a TikTok. This gonna be hard, making a video and a TikTok at the same time. But basically, the way I start off my wigs is I don't use the bald cap method. I used to, and I just felt like it was a waste of time waiting for it to blow dry. And then I felt like it was pulling on my edges, and I know people gonna be like, oh, that means you wasn't doing it right. Well, if I wasn't doing it right, then I don't want to do it right because I feel like this works better and it's easier. So I bleached the wig. It's very much giving bleached, yes. It's definitely easy to overpluck this wig, and the lace is like really fragile, like I had said before. But I think it's better for it to be overplucked and underplucked, and you be looking like a helmet is on your head. I want this to look like scalp. And if my scalp is a little sort of sparse, well, so be it. But that's my boyfriend. He's not laughing at me because I put myself on mute, and I'm not showing him myself because I feel like I want to see the finished product. Is this wig a little big? Oh, I should have got my clockwork. I might get it. Yeah, this wig is definitely a little big. It's alright. Oh yeah, let me know my TikTok part first. Cause I'm really about to make a TikTok with this. I don't know if I should upload it to my regular page or if I should make a new page. Cause I want to become a wig influencer. I don't feel like paying for no wigs no more. I'm not lying to you. I'm just making it on my regular page, which is The Melon Monroe, with 2 M's in Monroe. And then I'm going to post it on another page if it doesn't get some action. I don't know what a good song is. Oh, that 22 song. I heard that song. Me and my boyfriend was having a debate on whether it was African or Caribbean. And I said it was Caribbean. I was definitely wrong. Okay guys, I found the song. I was actually searching up Young 22 and not Year 22, and I'm actually stupid. But I found the song. I'm gonna make TikTok now. Okay y'all, let me click this back. I know I said I can do that before, but I was making my little TikTok. If my camera dies right now, like I would actually be distraught. But I have it plugged in. Okay. Oh, I forgot they knew that I use fat. Okay, so I'm the Amazon queen, and I got this blue from Amazon also. It's like a ghost bond dupe, but I like this because it comes off easy with water. When I remove my wigs, I don't use alcohol because I feel like that's drying, and also I don't feel like buying alcohol. So I just put my head in the water and I rub it. But, see? Come on. Yeah, it's called Caitlin. So that's what I use. And I took the top off of this because, oh, that's a lot. Okay. It's definitely a lot. Ow, this hurts. What am I gonna spread this way? I'm really about to use it back to this TV. I'm gonna look into my phone. This is real thick. I did not mean to put all that on the side. If this wig does not come out good, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I've been in a hair depression and this wig's supposed to pull me through. But let's hope it does its job. Especially because I don't want to go back to campus looking a damn mess. I'm really putting away this good everywhere. I definitely should have got my mirror. But I'm not getting it. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so the next thing after letting all the glue dry is to put some makeup on the lace. This makeup might not match too well because I left all my makeup in my dorm. I'm not in my dorm right now, obviously. And then you just want to apply this. So, I'll do it. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna look at my phone. I really want to just put it at the exact right place because I don't feel like under or overshine. Where I put this? Oh, I should have got a comb. I hope the lace doesn't bunch up because I hate when it does that. Okay, it looks like it's not bunching so far, but this lace is long. Like, long, damn. So we're not missing out on no lace. Okay, wait, I need to go get a comb. I'm stuck, y'all. Okay. So just pull it back. They're like real plucked, like too plucked. Oh my god. I feel like I could pull it more. See, that's the thing, that's the problem I have with this stuff. Like, you pull this side of the wig and that side of the wig lift up. Like, be for real. This gonna be a savior call, y'all. Okay, I think the factor is I put this too high, that's why. I feel like just doing the whole thing over again. Oh my god, the glue, like, the fact that I should even be able to do that is a problem. It just hurt in my ear. Like, why isn't it sticking? Never happened. I'm lying, it do be happening. Why now? See? Pull and press, y'all. Pull and press. And then I'm gonna tie this down because it's already getting on my nerves and I don't have the time. So I'm gonna use a hairband. I'm gonna tie this. My ear's about to hurt. I know y'all know that when you put this lace band on, especially going to sleep at night, yo, your ears will be on fire in the morning. But yes, I'm gonna put this on. Let this sit for a good 15 minutes because that thing is not sticking. It's these sides, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I was just mouth breathing. I don't like doing that. Okay, let me just brush this back to get everything situated. And I'll be back. Y'all, I actually lied. I'm going to style my hair now. Well, not style. I'm gonna just situate it. It's giving. You know, this is really giving. And I'm very happy that this part is working out. Definitely a 4x4. Y'all know what I said earlier. I just realized that I have to go into the kitchen and hot comment. Okay, so when I do go in hot comment, I'm gonna just go to the kitchen by myself. I'm not bringing y'all because I just feel like this is the setting of the video. Why change it? But I'm definitely gonna go do that eventually. It's a part straight. I can't see through the legs. No, why would it be straight? That's too easy. Why is this looking so sparse? I did not pluck all the way back here. Okay, it's not looking as sparse on the closer camera. It's just the bleach. I feel like I did a good job bleaching this time. Like in the middle, like I said, it's a little brown. But besides that, I wonder if I have my black spray here. We're gonna find out in a minute. A lot of people be like, let's find out in the next episode. But it's not really like a show. They just talk about next time. I keep trying to part this and I keep making it worse. It's going to frustrate me. Okay. What else? I'm not going to put mousse on it just yet. I actually want to kind of brush this out. This side is more brushed out than that side. Does it give him 22? I mean, not 22. 26? We'll see in a minute. He just cursed so much. I'm not going to bleep that out. Oh, that's another thing I forgot to tell you. When I was washing this, I know I did pluck this, so it was shedding. What happened because I plucked the hairs and maybe I didn't brush it all the way, but I thought it was like a low to medium amount of shedding. But yeah, is this giving 26? Let's find out. Okay, y'all, I've switched from music to Modern Family, but it's time to take this off now. See how this is cooking up? Where's my cone? Oh, right in front of my face. Okay, I can obviously see this, feel like it's not sticking down. It's not. I feel like I didn't put it up enough. Yeah, I really need a mirror, like, that's just not even sticky. Hold on, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied more glue, and I'll wait for this to dry, and then we're gonna get into cutting and styling and all that. Okay, I'm back and the glue is dried. I'm gonna try to cut these ear tabs without messing up this whole wig. Because there have been times that I actually created a menace of wig because I was trying to cut ear tabs.
Sure, people look at us sometimes, and sometimes even I can't believe it. But what happened? At the end of the day, there's no one I'd rather.
Okay. Please don't mess this up. Oh my god. Single-handedly almost just cut my ear. Ow. Piercings. Okay. That was good. This is good. She'll never forgive you. But okay. Sadly, I think I do have a razor. I was about to say sadly I do not have a razor. I'll be right back. I think I just found one. Okay, so my statement still stands. I did not find a razor, but I did find these hair scissors. I don't know where my grandma got these, but I low-key want them. These are good. This is so dangerous. Six legs. Six legs. I'm really wishing I had a razor right now. This will make this so much easier. Now my cat is having her daily amazing spectacles. Jade, what you want? It's hard to cut this way. There's a lot of glue right here. I need to clean off. What is this? I'm gonna just stick that down and act like that never happened. Can I cut myself? No. Okay, now I'm going to put on my wrap, but okay, my cat's staring at me. Now before I put on this even spray, just a quick spray around the perimeter. Especially right there. And right here. Okay. And I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, and I'm back, and it's a little ashy, so I sprayed some spritz in this side. It's not looking too bad. Now, remember when I was talking about something, I hope it don't bunch up? Well, this side is bunching. But I'm just going to take that with a grain of salt and move on with my life, because it's not the end of the world, and next time that I install it, it will not bunch. And this spritz is getting everywhere. Let me brush this. Ow. Oh, okay. Lace just wants to resurrect. I really should have cut this with a mirror. Because I cut that like... You definitely have to put glue on that. And take this glue on. But I'll fix that soon. I want to put some makeup on this. Not much makeup on this brush, but And I definitely have will. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so y'all know when I said I wasn't bringing it on the kitchen? Well, I brought you on the kitchen. I'm about to, what is that? I'm about to hot comb this wig. I have this thing on the stove, old school, because I left my electric one at home. You see, if I was in a college room, I'd be scared to have the smoke wigging around, but baby, we's at home. Make sure it's not too loud.
It's very offensive to women.
Okay.
It's very hard. Now she works for us.
Let me turn the show off. And I apologize if you can hear the fridge in the back. It is making noise. Period. Get this thing flat. I should have brought my mousse in here. And the way that you get it real flat, y'all be like just doing this. You gotta lay that thing down. Like press. It's a press comb. Put that thing to the fire a little bit more. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Now we gotta do over here. Now this might burn, y'all. Cause this, if you pluck it like I pluck it, it's damn near scalp, which means it's going to be touching damn near scalp. Don't burn your ears. Lay that back. Okay. Now I'm about to put this mascara on my roof. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Please. I gotta charge it. Yeah, I'm just putting the mascara on my roof. Looks good. Okay. Okay, so my hands are like literally so black because I put on that mascara. But what now? What now? Edges. The way I like to do my edges is I like to carve out a C. My family needs to shut up. Okay. About to see you on the side. And now it says my camera's about to die again. I really should have charged my thing, but I wanted to make this video because I want to put this wig on. So now that I have my edges parted, I really wish I knew how to do the edges like right here. Like obviously I know how to do them, but I feel like they don't come out like I want them to. But okay, this edge is too dense. So I'm gonna put this away. Now for like two. Okay. This one's perfect. This should be back there. I just realized I was beating mad loud, that's a weird thing. But I do that when I'm concentrated. Did y'all watch the Avatar movie? Because I did, and I'm like obsessed. Like I was obsessed with the first one, but this second one, very, very into it. Very good. And I just love their hairstyles and like the fact that like they're a tribe. And I love the theme of family within it. And the song that Nutiri sings at the beginning is so beautiful. Like I've been listening to it on repeat. Now I have mousse. The thing is, first of all, my mousse is broken. But moose scares me because people talk about like, oh, okay, it's not coming out. Let me just put it on my hand. People talk about, oh, moose is not supposed to lift your legs. Come out, please. But I feel like mine lifts my legs. And I don't know. Does that mean I'm doing something wrong? I feel like I'm doing everything correct. I don't even have a little red brush here to sleep. I have nothing in this house. I literally took everything with me. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna do this again and I'm gonna come back. Y'all, I'm back. Okay, first time, thank you. I'm back. I did the edges. This has been a doozy. I started this at like 9:30. It is 12:30. But now I'm about to put the concealer on the part and I will be done. I'm going to sleep. Actually, I think I want to put some water on it. Or should I wait till tomorrow? I just put concealer in my hair. I totally just put concealer in my hair. We're gonna act like that's not there. It'll be out tomorrow. Or should I wet it tomorrow? I think I'm gonna wet it tomorrow. I'm gonna let it set tonight. Okay. Have some mousse in it. I'm gonna hot comb it one more time, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. This video is done. After this video is done. My camera is dying. It's overheating. This TikTok took forever because I made a TikTok. I should go watch it. But after this, I'm capiche. Let me do this. And if this messes up, just bury me, because I can't. I feel like if I had all my stuff, this would have went much quicker, because like, when I'm in my dorm, I couldn't install hair in like 2 hours. No, it should have took 3. But it did. And that's okay. Okay.
I see your smile and I miss you dearly, but I can't cry right now. And I got a lot on my plate and I'm trying to clear it out. And I can't let myself down, my head in a cloud. Yeah.
I fixed it up with some mascara, but thank y'all for watching me install this hair. Like I said, it was $140 on Amazon. 26-inch. Let me stand. 26 inches. Right now it's puffy, so it's not on its full potential. Also, I'm short, so this is giving 26 inches on me. I don't know if it would give it on a taller person. I think on a taller person it would really give 24, but since I'm short, it's giving it 26. But yeah, this is it. Little toss over. This is really cute. I'm gonna wear it. I'm really glad I did this because, like I said, I was having a little hair depression, which was affecting my whole mood. But I can go back to campus looking like a baddie. So, see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.